Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this short video, I just want to show you my rag setup. So I'm sure everybody who has a small garage workshop like me, they need rags. If you don't get your hands dirty, then at least you're going to need to clean parts off. So I'll make this easy and short. Basically what I do is I have this milk crate I got off the trash somewhere. And anytime myself or anybody in my family has old clothing, it goes to this rag bin. And usually we try to give away the clothing at Goodwill first, but like this shirt had a really stained up collar, so into the rag it goes. This is an old sheet, it had some stains. So everything goes in here, and what I like to do if I'm not lazy and if I can find the time, is I cut the rags first. And that's what I'm actually doing now, which gave me the idea to make this short video. So I'll pre-cut the rags. Let me see if I can find a pre-cut one. I just started, here's one. Well, this one's rather large. This is an old polo shirt. Usually I like to cut them about half that size, but I do different sizes, sometimes bigger if I think I may need some bigger stuff, sometimes little small pieces, but I pre-cut them generally, and I put them in here, and it's really nice to be able to just grab a rag out. Don't worry about throwing it away. Here's an old one, and I even feel a little bit funny about hanging this over here because I try to keep them pretty clean in here in case I need to do anything, clean anything with a really clean rag. I know everything in here hasn't been messed with. I don't throw old rags back into the bin ever. So yeah, so with this, you can buy rags at the stores and stuff, and you can buy them, I'm sure, on Amazon, but doing this all these years, I don't think I've ever bought rags. I've always had a supply one way or another. Even when it starts getting low somehow, if I go check the drawer, the closet, you know, in our family, we'll have some clothes that we really need to get rid of. It's not suitable for Goodwill, and it comes here. And I like to spend some time pre-cutting it. These scissors, by the way, are really good. I actually got these off the trash pile along with a bunch of wood somebody was throwing out one day. But you can also get these at Harbor Freight. I've seen them for they're on sale now, I think, for like $3, and they're really good. They cut this type of fabric really well. The only other thing I guess I could mention about it is I do try to cut away the buttons just because it's they get in the way when you're using the rags. But that's pretty much it. I always, I have a little makeshift holster for my scissors, and I try to keep these cut. Now right now they're not cut, that's what I'm getting ready to do, but if they're not cut, sometimes I'll just grab out a piece and then cut it when I need it, but I do prefer to have them pre-cut because then you don't got to worry about it. So that's pretty much it. Won't waste any more of your all's time. That's my rag situation. Thanks for watching. Bye.